Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these kids sneaker tennis shoes. Alright, so today we have received our kids tennis shoes. These ones here are offered in several different colors as well as several different sizes. So you can see right here that these got really good traction at the bottom. You don't got to worry about slipping and sliding, especially if you're running in the rain. These got a premium material which has a high quality soccer shoes for kids. They are made of durable synthetic and stretch resistant material which is designed to last. The upper texture makes it better ball control, so you can use this while playing soccer. So right here is a little tongue, so there's not super thick, and then you've got a Velcro strap right here, so you don't have to worry about tying these. They are already set to go. Just got to remove the little thing in the middle. So these have a soft padded tongue that can fit a child's instep. Well, it's got an ergonomically design which reduces the foot friction. It's more comfortable during long practice and competitions. You can see that they are super nice. They are more of kind of a plasticky feel, sort of, enough to say if it gets wet it'll just rub right off. These do have ankle support. The heel part of the foot shoe is made of elastic fabric which is shaped with a line of the ankle to protect the heel. The inner lining is covered with a raised form layer to maintain a maximal comfort and breathability for the foot. It has high elasticity insole, provides a good cushioning and shock absorption for the foot, which has a better protection for the ankle and the knees. So you can see that these laces here, they are stretchable. It's got a good quality stitching. The bottom, I cannot believe how really nice the bottoms are. They've got really great tractions. It's a beautiful color. So this one here is the blue color, the white green. They have the black gold. Also they have a white pink, but this one right here is the white green. They look super nice, so I'm just going to go have my son try them on so you can see how they fit. They fit super nice. Are a little bit big for his feet, but he can grow into them. They got really great traction. It is super easy to slip on and slip off. The tongue is super thin, so you don't have to worry about the bulkiness of the tongue. You can see the tractions right here. This is a nice, great shoe for kids that are practicing ball. If you're looking for a nice pair of shoes for your kids, I would highly recommend checking these ones out.